In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a chart on Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to turn raw numbers into a clear picture, a chart is the quickest way to make your data understandable at a glance. Here's how we'll do it. We'll insert a chart in your document, edit the data it uses in Google Sheets, customize the look so it fits your message, and then update the chart back in your doc. With your Google Doc open, go to the top menu, choose Insert, then Chart, and pick bar, column, line, or pie. Think about what you're showing. Bar and column charts are great for comparing categories. A line chart shows trends over time, and a pie chart highlights parts of a whole. As soon as you choose, Google Docs drops a chart into your document using sample data so you can see the structure. That sample data is just a placeholder, and the chart is linked to a Google Sheet behind the scenes. To edit it, click the three-dot menu on the chart and select Open Source. This opens the connected Google Sheet in a new tab. Because it's linked, anything you change there can be brought back into the doc. In Google Sheets, you'll see a small data table feeding the chart. Replace the numbers and labels with your own information. Keep labels short and consistent, and make sure numbers are formatted properly so the chart reads correctly. For example, monthly totals work well in a column chart, while percentages make more sense in a pie chart. As you update the table, the chart preview in Sheets responds immediately, letting you confirm that your changes look right. If you make a mistake, you can undo like you would in any spreadsheet. Next, use the chart editor in Sheets to customize the chart's type, colors, and titles. If a different chart type explains your story better, switch it here. Choose colors that increase contrast and align with your document style, and set clear titles for the chart and axes so viewers instantly grasp what they're seeing. A concise main title and descriptive axis titles can dramatically improve clarity without cluttering the graphic. When you're happy with the data and the design, return to your Google Doc. On the chart, you'll see an Update button. Click Update to refresh the chart so it reflects everything you changed in Sheets. If you adjust the data later, just come back and click Update again to keep the document in sync. That's the process from start to finish. Insert, edit the source, customize, and update. With these steps, your document can tell the story behind your numbers clearly and professionally.